Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Kumar Trustee from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada branch. Students, first of all, I would like to tell you welcome to our e-learning class which is organized by Modern English School. Students, today I am going to discuss the third chapter of the first video lecture of more on Microsoft Word 2010. So in this book, that means what I explained of class 6 book, that is of 2010. Most probably 2007, 2010, 2003, all of the same is a little bit, the features are different. Okay student, so don't be worried. So student, we will discuss what type of features will be discussed in this chapter. So students, when you open the Microsoft Word, one of the blank document will be generated. Yes or no students? One of the blank document will be generated. Remember this one. Okay students, that means in that document there is no any type of the informations are there. Okay students, so first of all we need to create a blank document. After creating the blank document, then we need the word setting the page. By default page setting is there. Okay student, when you open the blank document, the default page size, default page size, margin. Okay student, margin, and another one is just orientation, etc. So students, when you open the blank document of the Microsoft Word, the default page setting will be displayed. That means default page size, margin and orientation will be displayed. That means the default page size will be the what? 8.5 inch into 11. That is your page size. That means students, this one and this one. What do you mean by these two? Okay students, 8.5 inch into 11 inch, and default orientation is your students portrait. Okay students, that means 8.5 into 11 inch. That means height is your 8.5, width is your 11 inch. Okay. And portrait is there. The page, when the page will be displayed in the height wise, that is your what? Our portrait. Okay students, that is the default page setting. If or sometime we need the change the default page setting. How to change the default page setting? We will discuss that one first of all. That means today's class we will discuss how to change the default page size, default margin and default orientation. We will discuss today class. Is that clear students? So remember students, if this is your MS Word, okay? If this is your MS Word, height and width. If this one is your 8.5 and this one is your 11 inch. Okay students, is that clear? And it will be displayed, portrait is your this one, and margin, the space between the edge of the page and the position of the page where you want to write. Okay, that is your page margin. That means there are different types of page margin: left margin, right margin, top margin and bottom margin. Left margin, right margin, top margin bottom margin. If this is your blank document, this is your left, top, right and bottom margin. The default page margin is also there. That is your students what? 1 inch or 2.54 centimeter. Remember, question is must come. What will be the default page margin? That means this 1 inch or 2.54 centimeter, the space between the edge of the page and the cursor, or where you want to write. That is your what? From the left, right, or bottom, all are the same page margin. Is that clear? That is your what? 1 inch or 2.54 centimeter. Is that clear? The default page margin is your 1 is a 2.54 centimeter. Default page size is 8.5 into 11. Okay, student. And default the page orientation is your portrait. Now we will discuss the what? How to change the page size from 8.5 into 11. How to change the margin or how to change the orientation. We will discuss that one. Is that clear, student? Now come to the students how to change the margin and orientation. So students, for all these things we will discuss the what? How to change the page margin or orientation or page size. The first step is here, students. First of all, click on, okay students, click on page layout. Click on page layout. Okay students, click on page layout there. Click on page layout there and then click and then click and then click page and then click page setup. Page setup. Click, go to the page layout here, then go to the page setup group. From the page setup group, what we need? We need margin, orientation, page size. That means your margin may be the what? Narrow. Okay, students. So margin default is this one. If you want to change narrow, wider, okay, students, you are normal. What you want, you can do that one. Okay, student. Orientation, portrait. There are two types of the orientation. One is your portrait, another one is your landscape. And page size also different type of page sizes are there. What you need, you do that one. Is that clear? Students, after this one, for all page size margin of orientation, this one is the compulsory first step. Then come to the second step, student. Then come to the second step. Then what will you do? If you want to do the margin, then click on the margin. Then click on the margin option. Okay, student. After clicking on the margin option, from the margin there are different types of the margin options are available. Is that clear? Like the narrow, like the wider, shorter. What you need or normal, what you need to choose from there. That means click margin and choose any one. Okay, student, and choose any one. You choose any one. Choose any one means either normal or narrow, whatever you want to do that one. Is that clear, students? Then students, after doing this one page margin, or after this one, if you want to give your own value of the, that is your what? Default. That is your what? Predefined. That is your predefined. If you want to change or if you want to give your own value, you can give also. That's why what you will do? Then click custom margin. Click custom margin. Click custom margin. Okay, student. Click custom margin for what? To give the own value. Is that clear? Give the own value. Click on the custom margin and give own value. And give own value. Is that clear? Is that clear, students? After doing this one, then fourth one. After three steps, your page margin will be changed. After suppose orientation will be displayed. If you want to change the orientation, so orientation is the what? There are two types of the orientation. One is a portrait, another one is a landscape. Remember, one is a portrait, another one is a landscape. That means this one is your students portrait. This portrait is your height. This one is your height. This one is your. Okay, students. That means what you portrait have already given. If you want to change the landscape, you can do that one. So that's why I will write here. Then click on orientation. Click on orientation and choose portrait to landscape. Portrait to landscape. Is that clear? Then I will just click. Is that clear, all students? So in this way, you can change your page margin and orientation. Is that clear? Is that clear, all students? So students, we have discussed how to change the page margin from the default, how to change the orientation from the default. Now we will discuss how to change the default page size to our own page size. Is that clear? So students, now we will discuss how to change the page size. So before discussing, first of all, this point is compulsory. Click on page layout here, then click on click on page layout here, then click on the page setup, then click on page setup. Okay, students. Step 2. Then click here, choose the different size options are there. Then not right but click. Then choose any one of the size. Choose any one of the size from. Okay, students. Then choose any one of the size from size drop down list. From size drop down list. Choose any one of the size from size drop down list. Is that clear? If you choose any one of the size from the drop down list, that one some of the predefined size options are there. The 8.5 into 11 is a what default, like the what 4 into 7, that is also your predefined. But if you want to give, that's why I am mentioning here, choose any one of the size. That means some of the predefined size options are there. What you need, you give that one. Is that clear? If you want to give your own value, that in particular you change the value. Is that clear? According to your choice, you want to change the page size. For that, what will you do? Okay, students, what will you do? Then students, then click. Okay, click on custom. Click on custom height. Click on custom height or width. To specify the value. To specify that clear now, students? Click on custom height are going to specify the value. That means according to your choice, you give the value for changing the size of a page. Is that clear? After that one, then what will you do? Then after this one, then click. In this way, students, we can change the page size. First of all, click on page layout here, then click on the page setup. From the page setup, then click on the page size option. In the page size option, you choose any of the size from the size drop down list. Is that clear? Yeah. Choose any one of the size from the size drop down list from more on page size, more on page size. After this one, then click. This one is your WhatsApp predefined size options are there. You can select any one. If you are not interested the predefined page size and you want to give your own page size, then click on the custom height or width to specify the value. Okay? Then click on the OK button. In this way, after doing this one, your page size will be changed. Okay, student. So students, remember default page size, default page margin, default orientation. After that, how to change that one. Is that clear? So in this video, we have discussed only this thing. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss the next features. Okay, student. So be careful, read, and remember this one. Bye bye. Thanks.